Welcome to a new unboxing from Unboxing Maniax, and today we're going to be unboxing the Huion H950P graphics tablet. So this tablet has a tilt function and it has 8 customizable express keys, as I'm going to show in this unboxing. So just open it. So here's the box, battery-free pen tablet. So let's just open it. Okay, so first we get a little thank you note. It has loads of It has QR codes on there and probably the instructions on here. Okay, and here we have the tablet itself. So we're going to get into that one in a second. The cable that connects the tablet with the computer itself. We have the instructions and warranty card. And the pen. So here's the pen. It has, I think it has 2 buttons on there. So there's the tip. So it has, this box has 8 nibs. So if they run out, you can replace them easily. So you unscrew this part, and there's the 8 nibs. If you want to take this one out, I think you just put it in here. You can take it out with something. I don't know how to do it yet. So if you want to take out the nib, you can easily just take it out like this and replace it with a new one. So this tablet, let me just get the box out of the way and show you the tablet. So here it is. Nice quality, and it has the 8 buttons on the side here. So you can customize it to any shortcut that you want. You can have it so it's Ctrl Z and stuff like that. So it's quicker when you're writing and drawing. The pen itself has over 1192 levels of pen pressure, so that's interesting. And here's the input to the cable. So you just put it in like this, and I think that's it. That's what it looks like. Okay, so if you enjoyed this video, please leave a like, share it with anyone that would want maybe this product. I'll put the link to the product down in the description, so you can check it out. And thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, and comment your thoughts down below. See ya.